Here we have, guys, a vintage Wrangler jacket sent to us by a lovely lady down in Bromley. Had a chat to her on the phone. She's had this for years, for donkey's years, and she wanted it all repairing and restoring. It's in pretty bad shape. As you can see, all the cuffs are really badly come disattached, massive holes, huge holes. She's not too bothered about too much on the edging and stuff. Some of the wear marks, obviously, you don't want to do too much of the repair work because she still likes that vintage look. But obviously, stress parts like here, that's going to go on the shoulders, that'll need sorting out. Little minor rips like there, around the tops there, probably from carrying bags and the like. It's all stress points and it's all worn out. And obviously, the worst thing is the collar's really just completely in really bad shape. And if you flip it round on the back part, that's really bad as well on the rear of the jacket. So we're going to be doing plenty of restoration work on this. Combination of using new cotton, obviously plenty of over sewing and like darning work. We're going to be doing different shades of blue. So once all that's done, it'll look a lot more decent, a lot more wearable, and she should get a good few more years out of this still. So vintage Wrangler jacket, should I say, in at the Denim Doctor for some repair work. So stay tuned, guys, and I will definitely post up some after shots of it after it's been restored. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Take care.